Example 5. All right. So on example 5, tried exercise number 5, it was saying they want $10,000 quarterly. So the lumber company wanted to pay $10,000 quarterly to the IRS for their taxes. So they want to make a present value annuity. So they need a lump sum. So they found an account that pays 6% quarterly for 3 years. All right, so they want to do this for 3 years. So since the payment is made at the beginning of the compounding period, it is an annuity due. So we want the present value for an annuity due. All right, so we need to find small I. Well, it's at 6% compounded quarterly. So we know that that is 1.5%. Small n, the total number of compounding periods, it's 3 years quarterly. So that's 12 total periods. So 1.5% at 12 periods, all right, should be, let's see, 1.5%, all right, at 12 periods, that's the third column. That should be 10.90751, all right? So the factor equals, what did I say, 12? 10.57534. All right. Now, because it's an annuity due, we know that we have to subtract 1 from the factor, right? I'm doing this backwards. I'm doing future value, right? So we know we need to add 1, right? Subtract 1 from annuity due, subtract 1 from n, all right? So that should be 11. So, different factor. Glad you got to see me make that mistake. So we need to look at 11. So 1.5 for 11 periods. All right, 1.5 for 11 periods. That is 10.07112. All right. And now since we subtracted 1, we got to add 1 to the factor. All right. So that should give us 11.07112. All right. And so, in doing so, all right, we should take the payment then. The present value ends up being the payment of $10,000 times 11.07112. Punching that into our calculators. 10,000 times 11.07112. All right, and that should give us $110,000. $110,711.20. All right, so that's the lump sum we got to put away now so that we can make $10,000 payments quarterly for 3 years. So let's see. We know that's 12. So 12 times 10,000, we should be 120,000, right? So for $120,000 future value, all right, so just short of 10,000. So that's going to be about $9,300, just short of $9,300 interest earned on those quarterly payments at 6%. All right, so today we walked through the formula for the future value of an ordinary annuity and annuity due. And then we moved on to the present value, and that is where you calculate what lump sum do I need now to make payments at a compounding rate for so many years, so that when I'm done all those payments, I've spent my future value. I should have $0 left. All right, so that's what the present value of an annuity is. All right, and we did the tables for an annuity due and an ordinary annuity. And you can use the tables for both. You just have to manipulate the numbers for the annuity due. Subtract 1 from n and add 1 to the table factor to make it an annuity due factor. All right. So that is our last video for the week. I will post the homework for those 3 sections. And since it is the last day, I was trying to decide what should I do. Excuse me. I gave you cookies last time. And so I thought maybe I would give you something funny to think of. So I saw something, somebody posted something on Facebook, and they came, excuse me, they came up with new definitions for words, everyday words. All right, so the first one is going to be, here's my hand. I'll explain it with my hand, all right? The first one is going to be the word coffee. The new definition for the word coffee is the person that you cough upon. All right? The person that you cough upon is the coffee. You are the cougher, they are the coffee. All right? The second word is flabbergasted. All right? Flabbergasted means to be appalled at the amount of weight that you've gained. Flabbergasted. All right? Flabbergasted. Now, my favorite one of all is I'm not going to say it right. All right? Let me try this again. Frisbeetarianism. Frisbeetarianism. All right? We're going to go into theology here. Frisbeetarianism. All right? That is the belief that when you die, your soul flies up onto the roof and gets stuck there forever. Frisbeetarianism. All right? So those are the jokes I leave you with today. Hopefully you had a good week. Again, I just remind you, if you have anything that you need to talk to me about, please email me. I am happy to help. And if you have any prayer requests, please let me know. Continue to pray for you guys. Continue to hope all is doing well in this very, very unique time. And I miss you guys. Love you lots. Talk to you later. Bye.